So you know, at Garden Time, we always try to bring you local information, businesses, plant growers, restaurants, all kinds of stuff. Well, tonight we thought we're going to bring you some amazing local music, and I'm here with Mariana. And Mariana, tell me about the Bylines and how it started, the concept of it.
Yeah, we are a jazz-inspired pop band. We kind of carry on the tradition of the American songbook. We write original tunes. I sing and play percussion. Reese plays piano. And we create some great story-driven tunes.
Lovely.
And well, I'm with Reese, the other half of the Bylines. And so, Reese, where are we?
Tonight we're in Corkscrew in the Selwood neighborhood of Portland, and we're getting ready to play a song for everybody here.
And what's that one?
It's called Going to LA, and it's about a road trip we took to go play some gigs down in Los Angeles, and how much fun having a road trip is.
That is fun. And then how can people get more information about you, see where you're going to be playing next?
Yes, we work about 3 or 4 times a week around the Portland metropolitan area, and you can go to our website, which is www.thebylines.com.
Reese, thank you so much, and we're looking forward to hearing you. And so if you need to get ready, we'll let you go.
Thanks, Judy.
Thank you.
And we wanted to thank all of you wonderful viewers who have consistently watched Garden Time for 13 seasons now and came out and celebrated the 500th episode. So as always, for more information on the show, we invite you to go to gardentime.tv.
Now, don't be sad, because we will be back in March of 2019, so enjoy the winter, and we'll see you next March here on Garden Time.
Down your coffee, we've got a car to load. It's 9 a.m., baby, it's time to hit the road. We've hunked and waited, now our life is paid. 960 miles to burn. Just keep straight south and toward the sun. We're well on our way. We're going to LA. LA. We're running from this grave. We're going to LA. Music up and down the road we roll. Cash rocks the country, yeah, Aretha brings the soul. Bruno feels lazy, Patsy is crazy. 380 miles to burn.